Hello everyone, welcome you all to my 8th video session. Myself Sandeep K, faculty of Chandrakant Patil Public School, Kalaburgi, and I am from Mathematics Department. Let us start our today's video presentation on new topic multiplication. Multiplication is also one of the basic arithmetic operation. After addition and subtraction, the next concept is multiplication. Let us see the definition. Multiplication is a process of repeated addition. Example, I have multiplied 2 5s are 10. That is nothing but, as you can see here, I am adding 2 number 5 times. So when I add 2 number 5 times, I will get the result 10. And if I do multiplication 2 5s are also, it will become 10. So this process of repeated addition is called as multiplication. The next slide explains about terminologies used in multiplication. Here we have got three important terminologies. The first term in the multiplication process is called as multiplicand, and the second number what we multiply in the multiplication is called multiplier. The result after doing the multiplication process by using into operator is called as product. Now let us see the first one, multiplicand. The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. The second, multiplier. The number which multiplies the given number is called multiplier. Third, the result after multiplication is called the product. Here are the three important terminologies which are used in multiplication. And we have to remember, the first term is called multiplicand, the second term is called multiplier, and the result after multiplying we get, it is called as product. Fourth point, the operator used in multiplication is into, and it is pronounced as into. Fifth, that is the formula, multiplicand, that is the first term in the multiplication, into multiplier. Multiplier is the second term. When we multiply multiplicand and multiplier, we get the answer product, and the operator used is into. Let us see the example in sixth point. I have taken 12 into 3. The first term we have to name it as multiplicand, and the second term 3 we have to name it as multiplier, and the operator used is into. Let us see the answer. Here also we have to multiply from right on the top of those numbers. 3 2s is 6 and 3 1s is 3. When I multiply 12 into 3, I will get answer 36. The result is called as product. After learning the terminologies used in multiplication, let us highlight on the properties of multiplication. Here I have written three important properties we have to remember while multiplying. The first point, the product of any number and 0 is always 0. So that is nothing but when I multiply any number with 0, the result will be 0. Example, 12 into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into 9 is equal to 0. That is nothing but when you multiply any number with 0, the result we get 0, or you multiply 0 with any number, we will get 0. Second point, the product of any number and 1 is always the number itself. Example, 8 into 1 is equal to 8. That is 8 ones are also 8. Or 1 into 25 is equal to 25. Here in this example you can see whatever we multiply the number with 1, we will get the same number, that is 8 ones are 8. Or when you multiply any number with 1, 1 into 25, we will get 25. Third point, the product remains same when we interchange multiplicand and multiplier. Example, 4 sevens also the product is 28 or 7 fours also 28. Let us see some more examples. Multiplication of 1, 2, 3, 4 digits number by 1 digit. Here I have taken several multiplicands, but my multiplier is only 1. Now first example you can see 9 into 8. The first term in multiplication is called multiplicand and the second term is 8. It is called as multiplier and the operator what I am using is into. Now let us see the answer. 8 nines is 72 and the 72 result is called product. As you can see right side I have taken second number. Here multiplicand are 2 digit number but multiplier is only 1. 23 into 2. We have to multiply from right side. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 23 2s are is 46. 46 is the product. Now let us see the third example down left side. 260. I have taken 3 digit number system that is multiplicand and I am multiplying with only one number that is multiplier 4. 260 into 4 and you have to multiply from right side only. 4 zeros are 0, 4 sixes are 24. 24 are 2 digit number. So 2 you have to keep carry on the next number and 4 I have to keep down and 4 twos is 8. 8 and I have to add that carry 2. 8 plus 2 will be 10. So the overall result or the product is 1040. Now you can see right side down. Fourth example 4031. Here I have taken 4 digit number system and this is multiplicand and I am multiplying with only one number that is multiplier and you have to multiply 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 fours are 8 and the product is 8062. In the second example, multiplication of 3 digits and 4 digits by the number 0 and 1. Here I am explaining the property. That is, when we multiply any number with 0, the result, the product will be 0. And when we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. Let us see the example. As you can see in the left side, first example, I have taken 3 digit number system that is 273 and this is the first term, it is called as multiplicand. And second I have taken 0, I am multiplying with 0. The second term 0 is called multiplier and I am using into operator. Let us see the answer. 0 3s are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 2s are 0. Here what you can see is when we multiply 0 with any number, the product will be 0 itself. Okay, and you can see the right side which is second example. I have taken 8652. The first term is called multiplicand and I am multiplying with one number. The second term will be the multiplier and I am using into operator. So let us see the answer. 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6 and 1 8s are 8. Here you can see when you multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number as the product. So here the result is 8652 is the product. Let us see the third example. Here I am explaining stepwise. I have taken multiplicand also 2 digit number and multiplier also 2 digit number. Let us see the product. Solution. Step 1. Here 45 is the multiplicand. I have to keep 45 as it is 2 digit number. And in the multiplier I have to take only unit place number. Unit place number is 6. So 45 into 6 I have to multiply. 6 5s are 30 and 3 you have to keep carry in the next number and 0 here we have to keep down and 6 4s is 24. 24 and the 3 you have to add and it will become total 227. It will become 270 answer. Right side you can see in the column step 2, 45 is the multiplicand I have to keep as it is. but from the multiplier I have to take 1, and 1 is at tens position. So I have to keep 1, first you have to multiply 1 5 is a 5 and 1 4 is a 4. When and both the products we have to add. So add them, that is 270 plus 45. As you can see here, 45 I am placing from the tens position. I am not mentioning in the unit because in the multiplier 1 is at tens position. So I am taking from tens position, I am considering. 0 plus only is there, so you have to keep 0 as it is. 7 plus 5 will be 12, 1 carry 2, 4 plus 2 will be 6, and this carry 1, total it will become 720. So when we multiply 45 into 16, the product is 720. In the fourth example, find the product of 3462 by 25. Here the first term multiplicand is 4-digit number and the second term multiplier is only 2-digit number. So let us see the product. We have to keep first multiplicand 3462, the multiplicand, into 25 is the multiplier. So 25 is at unit place, so I am multiplying with the blue color. You can see 5 2s are 10, 1 you have to keep carry on the next number, 0 down. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 will be 31, 3 carry on the next number and 1 down. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus carry this 3, it will become 23, 2 carry on the next number, 3 down. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2 will be 17. So here I finished multiplication of unit place with all the multiplicand numbers. Next 10 place is 2. I have taken from the red number. As you can see the answer here, 2 2s are 4 and we have to leave one place because 2 is at tens place, so I am keeping plus in the unit place down. 2 6s are 12, 2 here and 1 carry on the next number. 2 4s are 8 and carry that red color, 1 we have to 9. 2 3s are 6. So next number tens position what I multiplied, I kept the carry and the result in red color and we have to add both them. 0 plus is there, so only 0 down. 1 plus 4 will be 5, 3 plus 2 will be 5, 7 plus 9 will be 16, 1 carry and 6 here, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 that carry, it will become 8. So the overall product when we multiply 3462 and 25, the result will be 86,550 as product. In the today's video session presentation 8, I have explained about multiplication definition, the terminologies, the properties and some examples. Based on that, I gave you 4 questions. Try to solve them and get back when you are coming to school. Thank you all viewers and learners. Have a wonderful day.